Hello everyone, hope you are well and staying safe. I am here to do a quick video to show you how to access your work on Google Classroom, to do the work and then submit it to your teacher so they can mark it or give you feedback. First thing you need to do is go to the school website and then go to Student Home Study, okay, which is then located on the website. Then you go to Google Classroom, which will take you to this page, which means you could log in. Another way to get to this page is to either just use Google by itself, literally Google Classroom, and then go to Classroom, okay, and then go to Classroom. There's so many ways to get to the Classroom. It takes me to the same place. So many ways you can get through this. Okay, so I'm going to log in as student. So I'm going to go to student, and then type in my password, and then click next, and that should take me straight in. Yay, step one, we've logged in. Beautiful. Next, I'm going to go and do the work that's been set for me. So I've got some work set. So if you look at these Google Classroom, you can see the different tasks that's been set with its deadlines. So this one says due Thursday at midnight, so which means it's due before Friday. So I'm going to click on this one and then I'm going to do that work. So I've clicked on it, so I've entered the classroom, which is fantastic, and I can see all the different works that's been assigned. I'm going to click on classwork, which is at the top, and then I can see this work, which is the one that I need to do now. And then if you look at it, all of these are the different works that Sir or myself has already published. In order, so I can click on it and it will take me straight there. But the one I'm going to is Sell Your CD. That's the one I need to go to. So I'm going to click on it, and at the bottom here you'll see something called View Assignment. So I've clicked on that and it takes me to this page. Now before I click on anywhere else, I need to make sure I read the description, because this description is very important. This tells you what your teacher wants you to do. It gives it a bit more detail, a bit more context before you then jump in to do the work. Another thing that you probably want to look at is when the due date is. Okay, good. On here you can see a few things. You've got two boxes. You've got one box that says your work, and it says and it's, well, here Sir has given me access to a PowerPoint which I can now start working in. Another thing I can do is add or create, which is fantastic. And then I have a private message box here, and if you notice, Sir, Mr. Lady, myself, funny, has sent me a message. So I'm like, oh, hi Sir. So I haven't started the work yet. Hi Sir, I haven't, oh, make sure I make no mistakes, haven't started the work yet. I will let you know. Simple as that. And then I can send that, and then Sir has now got that, so he knows what's going on. So he'll get an email saying a student has give him a private comment, and he will reply when he can. So I've now looked at this. What I'm going to do is click on the work that's been assigned to me that the teacher has set. I'm going to click on that, and it brings me into the PowerPoint. So I can now edit this PowerPoint. I could do what I like in it. I can change the font, I can change the colors, and then submit this back to Sir to say this is the work that I've done. So I'm just going to scroll through the PowerPoint. So this is the rules and regulations. I understand that. Okay. Look at, okay, this half term is what we're doing. A big question. Okay, I can read through that. Then the task is to watch this video. So I can watch this video and then answer these 3 questions while watching the video. Then I look further down, and then this is the main thing that Sir wants me to do. Okay, fantastic. Question to answer and submit. Fantastic. So first question is, what do you think makes a good business pitch? I think a good business pitch is when you are confident. Full stop. Yeah, I think that's good. Okay, so I'm not going to answer all the questions, but you get the point. So in this point, I could do what I like. So I can highlight this and change the color. So I'm going to change the color to red, so Sir finds it easier to read the answers from the questions. I'm going to make it a bit smaller. And this is basically just me using Microsoft Word or Microsoft PowerPoint to be able to edit the work as I see fit. So I finished this. So I'm finished. And the good thing about Google Slides is that I actually don't need to save it. It saves automatically because it's in the cloud. So I'm just going to close this. So I've done the work, and then I'm going to hand in. There we go. And it's asking me, hand in your work. Yes, I want to hand it in because I've finished. Obviously, I've got to finish the questions first. So once I've handed in, what I could do now is tell Sir, because I told him I was going to get back to him before. So let me tell. So, hi Sir, I have just handed in. Can I get some feedback, please? And that's it. I've sent it to Sir, and that's basically what I've done. So if I want to make any adjustments, I can click on submit, and I can unsubmit it. Perfect. And another thing I can do, because I've unsubmitted because I've just made a mistake, because I was going to add a song on there, just for sir, just see, and this is just for me to demonstrate how this works. So you've got Adobe Create. So what you could do is click here and then actually create another sheet. So you can do another PowerPoint equivalent, you could do another Word document or another Excel file. So you can just create one and it will create a file there. You can edit it and then send it in, or you can attach files here. Okay, so you can go to uploads, you can do stuff from your Google Drive, you could do stuff from your uploads. So I'm going to click on browse and then pull something up from my computer that I want to give Sir access to. So I've got some backing tracks here. I'm going to upload this song that I've made. I want to show Sir, could you give me some feedback on the song? I've just uploaded it, which is fantastic. So it's going to upload, and once it finished uploads, I click hand in. So I hand in both things. So I've handed in my work and hand in. So this might be another way that your teacher might say, oh, could you hand in, or could you do this piece of work and then hand it in via Google Classroom? This is another way to hand it in. So I'm doing that now. So I've now just handed in. Fantastic. And then again, I can then send another message to say, this is what I've done. I've handed in these two things and I'm done. So at this point now, I'm finished. Sir's going to get a message saying that I've submitted my work and I've submitted something else, and he'll be happy to mark my work. Right, I hope that all makes sense. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact any of the teachers or contact or email me, and Mr. Gibbons, and we can point you in the right direction. All right, take care and have a good session. Peace.